Hey loves, and welcome to the Inner Circle. This is the ATRIUM AI Club, your all-access, luxury-powered creative lab, built for visionaries who want to master AI tools without sacrificing style, soul, or strategy. Now, let me be clear. This club is not about drowning you in jargon or overwhelming you with tech. It's about making AI simple, approachable, and fun. Whether you're building avatars, launching a brand, or crafting luxe content, you're in the right place. Here, we'll cover everything from choosing the right platforms to writing prompts that actually get results. And my promise is this: by the time you finish, you'll feel confident experimenting with AI instead of just guessing. We'll also show you the most cost-effective ways to get consistent results. So before you subscribe to anything, make sure you go through all the lessons. For your benefit, we start with free methods, then slowly ramp things up. What makes this different? Curated tools for Black, brown, and underrepresented creators, luxe templates, creative vaults, and prompt engines, and an aesthetic-first, results-driven approach. And remember, your digital co-creator here is me, Nyra. Not just a face, but a full AI muse. So get comfy, explore at your own pace, and when you're ready, dive into the first lesson. And if you want to connect with me outside, all my socials are linked in the resources section. Let's get started.